I can't get this out. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki from JaNick Fashions, and I am coming to you today with another unboxing video. I am actually going to be starting another challenge, and I will be doing a collaboration with an awesome YouTuber. Her name is Christy from... I'm so excited, and I will link her in the description below. Today my task is to open this box up and find at least 5 pieces of 2-yard fabric, and whatever I find in the box that's approximately 2 yards is what I will use. Love it, hate it, does not matter. If you're enjoying my channel, please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. All right, let's see. So here is my box. Quite large, ordered from Fabrics Universe, and I am looking for, the search today is on for no, actually 5 2-yard pieces of fabric that is going to be needed for the challenge that is coming very soon. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open my box, and it is heavier than it looks, or I am weaker than I look. Alright, no one likes to see me use a knife, and I'm not doing a great job here, so off camera. Alright, here's the first bag. Let's see what we got. So when I reached out to them, I said I wanted knits. I didn't want anything see-through, and I wanted to take a chance on some patterns. So, and I told them I really like florals. Sunflowers. Oh, I love sunflowers. Okay, so I don't think this can be the fabric that I choose for my challenge because it is less than 2 yards, but I love it, and maybe it can be used for something really cool. I know it will be. Stay tuned for that. And this is stressed denim. It's about 1 yard. It does stretch. Oh, I'm showing you the part that, there we go. It does stretch. I've actually had my eye on this for a while. It is kind of cool. Only about 1 yard though, so I cannot use it for this challenge. I'm hoping I have something that can be used for this challenge. All right, fun. I don't know, maybe I'll use this to make some headbands as gifts for my students because they are cool and probably love this. Candy canes for Christmas. Whoa, I think I got a winner. Fabric number 1. All right, so this is stretchy, and it's kind of tie-dye-esque, but so much cooler. I love the abstract print on this, and this is going to be awesome. It is probably about 1.5 yards if I had to take a guess, but I think this is enough. All right, so this is going to be fabric number 1 for my challenge. Right. Then we have, this is a strange fabric. It is stretchy. It is a bit thick, so if you look here, it's like you can even see that it has that thickness to it. It's a little cushiony, and I have a strip of it, not that much, so probably not good for this challenge, but I'm gonna think about what to use this for. It looks like it might make an awesome bag. I never make anything with brown because I'm kind of brown, but I have, I do have about 2 yards of it, so this is fabric number 2 for my challenge. Maybe. Let's see if I have other things that I have 5 yards of. And we have some more florals, some more stretchy florals. Oh, I love it. So it's some more sunflowers, but a really cool blue. Oh, it's very precious. I have about a yard of this, so not for the challenge, but I think I'm going to make something cool with that also. And we have another brownish fabric here, stretchy. I wouldn't pick it, but I think it might make something okay. I know I said I don't really like brown, but I like the fact that this has flowers. And this is my first bag, and I have another bag, so hoping for the best. Let's get this out the box. It is really stuck in there. Turn it upside down.
A few moments later.
Maybe I just have to open this box on the other side.
More moments later.
I can't get this out. Oh my goodness. Let's see what's happening here. It is so stuck.
One eternity later.
Oh, and now this is what the box looks like. Okay. Almost there.
Eventually.
Second bag of fabric. Finally out. Ooh. I think I like these. Okay, let's see what's in here. All right, we have some pineapples. Again, this is stretchy. It is about a little bit less than a yard, and it's pretty cute. I'm not usually one for the fruit prints, but I would definitely make something with this. And we have some florals, kind of a scrap, really pretty. Definitely can make something with this also, but not enough for my 2-yard challenge. All right. Oh, this is so pretty, but only about a yard, so let's keep looking. Huh. Again, about a yard. I like this. It's interesting. All right. They definitely listened. I told them I wanted some florals, and they came through with the florals. Told them I wanted stretchy. They came through with the stretchy. All right. I really like this. But again, only about a yard. I think I will probably be making some stuff and listing them in my shop. All the florals. Maybe some tank tops, some tube tops. We'll see. I don't know if I need that much clothes. And here we go. All right. I think this is fabric number 3. It is not quite 2 yards, but I definitely think I can do something with this. All right, fabric number 3, here we go. Stretchy, very cool print. Love it. Okay. Another floral. Oh, I love it. I love these big floral prints. Approximately 1 yard of it. Not enough, but awesome. Very cool. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. I only have, oh, that's backwards. I was looking at it. All right, I only have a little bit of this. Oh, but whatever it is, it's going to be the most precious article of clothing. All right, well, not for the challenge. Let's keep going. And less than a yard of this. It's pretty, I like it. Stretchy, all of these are stretchy. All right. We have some stripes. We can either wear them vertically or perhaps, no, not horizontally. That's for the best anyway. Vertical stripes. All right, not enough for the fabric, not enough for the challenge. I need this. Okay, interesting. All right, I think this might be enough. Yep, this is enough. So looks like this will be a part of the challenge, and thankfully it does stretch and it's kind of cool. Kind of really like it actually, the more I look at it. Okay, so that's fabric number 4. Alright, and this is super soft. Not enough for the challenge, but definitely something good can be made from it. Okay, and now we have a gray, and it is enough for the challenge, but it's kind of tough. You can't feel it, but I can feel it. So it does not stretch, or it barely stretches. It has a little bit of give, and it's definitely enough for the challenge. So this will be fabric number 5, but if I can find another 2-yard fabric in here, I am going to switch out that brown, because that brown is dreadful for me. Not in general, but for me. I love this. So here we go with another abstract print, and it's about 1 yard, and it's super soft, super, I don't know, great. It will be something nice, but not for the challenge. And not enough for the challenge, but I love it. I love these abstract prints. They are just so interesting. This one kind of looks like dripping paint. It is soft, it is stretchy, it is lovely. And my final piece here is kind of an animal print, a snake print. Not much, just a strip. I can make something interesting with this. I love it. Okay, so I actually loved most of these fabrics, and will be able to make some awesome things in my videos in the months ahead. However, for my challenge, 5 fabrics were chosen, and you will see what this challenge is in the next video. All right, so if you want to see all the awesome pieces that I plan to make with the fabrics that I just got, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you want to see the challenge that's coming up, trust me, you do. Don't forget to look up Christy from I'm So Excited and subscribe to her as well.